Welcome back, guys. Now we're going to be doing practical electricity question 31 to question 37, paper 15054. Let's start. Question 31. The power of an electrical heater is 3 kilowatts. The heater is switched on for a time of 2 hours and 30 minutes. The cost of using the heater for this time is 180 cents. What is the cost of 1 kilowatt of electrical energy? 1 kilowatt of electrical energy. So basically, they are saying the power of an electrical heater is 3 kilowatts. The time it has been used for is 2.5 hours because 2 hours and 30 minutes, if you convert that into like decimal, you will get 2.5 because 30 को अगर हम 60 से divide करें we'll get zero point 0.5 and we have 2 whole hours and zero point 0.5 hour. That means we will get 2.5 hours into cost of 1 kilowatt hour will be equals to 120 cents. तो अगर हम 120 को divide करें this will be 7.5. 7.5 we get an answer of 16 cents per 1 kilowatt hour of electrical energy. So that will be A. Question 32. In a lighting circuit, the switch is placed in the live wire. Why is this? The switch, the circuit breaker, and the fuse are all placed in the live wire. And the reason is a lamp in the circuit breaker can isolate from the supply. Yeah, this is the simple and straight answer that the lamp will be isolated when the switch is turned on and off, it will turn on and off the voltage which will be going towards the lamp. So it can be isolated from the supply. मतलब ये आप यहाँ से जा रहा है and you open the switch and it is no longer going. You close the switch and it is going again. ठीक है ना? So yeah, A is the right answer again. 31, 32. Question 33. The diagram shows the circuit for a hair dryer. ठीक है ना? The fan motor has a power rating of 0.1 kilowatt and the heater each having a rating of 0.4 kilowatts. The cost of electricity is 8 cents per kilowatt hour. What is the cost of running the hair dryer for 2 hours when the switch P and Q closed? तो P and Q है ना वो क्लोज हो गए मतलब जो R है that is open तो ये हमारे पास यूसेज में नहीं है while P and Q are in usage and switch R is open. अच्छा अब हमने निकालने इसकी टोटल जो है पावर the total power will be 0.10 plus 0.4 because only one of the heaters are working. So that will make the answer 0.5 kilowatts. तो एक हमारे पास वो आ गया and we have to calculate using the formula which is gonna be power is equals to time into cost of unit is equals to cost. तो हमारे पास पावर आ गई है which is 0.5 into time क्या हमारे पास 2 hours into the cost of unit the electricity is 8 cents which will give us an answer of देखते हैं डी आंसर है yes D is the right answer seems like yes. So let's continue. Question 34. Why are the metal casing of the electrical appliances earthed? अगर ये for example यहाँ जा रहा है this is a television right and this is a circuit तो earthing इधर होएगी और this is the live wire है ना and this is the neutral wire. This is the neutral wire. This is the power supply. ठीक है ना तो for example खुदाना खास्ता जो live wire है that is touching the metal casing. The metal casing will become electrically charged, right? The metal casing will become electrically charged, and when someone tries to touch the metal casing, they will get shocked. ठीक है ना? So, what will happen is the earth जो अर्थ वायर है that will suck in all the charge and it will make it so that you can touch the appliance, the metal case, and not get shocked to ensure the casing is not a dangerous voltage. So B is the right answer. To complete the circuit, which is completely incorrect. To ensure the fuse blows when the current in the appliance is too large to protect the appliance from overheating. Uh, that is not what the earth wire does. Question 35. A lamp is connected to the AC main supply series switch and fuse. The switch and fuse will be connected to the live wire as we know. Which circuit shows these components wire correctly? First of all, the switch and fuse will both be connected in the live wire. So this is the fuse and this is the switch. These are both connected in the live wire. Otherwise, every other seems to be wrong. So C is the right answer. The diagram shows the wiring of a 3-pin mains plug. There is an error in the diagram. What is the error? The error is that it is not covering, the cable C is not covering the underlying clip. अगर ये ना यहाँ इसके नीचे नहीं होगा, that is an error. So A is the answer. I'm going pretty fast because these are very easy questions. Question 37, a 100 watt lamp. अच्छा 100 watt ये हमने किया हुआ है 100 watt इसको पहले हम किलोवाट्स में करेंगे डिवाइड बाय 1000 तो 0.1 किलोवाट्स आ गया आगे the cost of 1 unit of electricity is 0.24 cents $0.24 sorry how much does it cost to run the lamp so first we're going to calculate the number of hours the number of hours going to be 5 into 3 weeks into 3 weeks and 7 days so 105 hours will be during this whole duration तो हमारे पास पावर आ गया हमारे पास टाइम आ गया और हमारे पास यूनिट का प्राइस है तो 0.24 into 0.1 into 105 will get us an answer of $2.52 which will be C. C is the right answer. That concludes the video and that concludes the whole chapter. So that is gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoy and this chapter. Have a great day. Allah Hafiz and thank you for watching. Please subscribe.